lights everywhere. Oh yeah, bo.
Hey, it's Remnant. Good morning, guys. We're going on a boat cruise today. Yeah, we're not going to give me content. Say what date by mind. I don't even know, but we're trying. Let me show you the boat quickly. So that's the boat. We're going with the Mirage, this company. It's like 4:50 in the morning. So, and I just thought it was in the morning. There might not be a lot of people, and it won't be noisy. You know, we'll see everything. The sky is clear. The sky is blue. So it looks great. So yeah, hopefully today is a better day. It's a good day. I'll show you my outfit in a second. Let me just put this down.
Tendani, you're my Miss Universe. In this Christmas season, you bless my world first. When you walk in the room, the whole place bursts. Too fine, too real, too rare. It's Rendani, Tendani, girl, you like the sky. December wind cold, but you want my life. Every little step you take turns heads twice. Humbucker, girl, you naturally fly. Like that calm vibe. Soft like a breeze, confident, steady, moving with ease. December glow sitting right on your skin. Every smile you drop feels like a wind. Yeah, days getting warm, nights getting sweet. Tendani, your presence keep the rhythm on beat. Christmas bells ringing, but you the sound I keep. Oh, clear, look how you, girl, your shine runs deep. Holiday groove, you the center spot. Everywhere you go, you leave your mark. Spotlight follows you even in the dark. Unga peli moya, girl, you the benchmark. Tendani, you're my Miss Universe. In this Christmas season, you bless my world first. When you walk in the room, the whole place bursts. Too fine, too real, too rare. Tendani, Tendani, girl, you like the sky. December wind cold, but you want my life. Every little step you take turns heads twice. Humbucker, girl, you naturally fly. Hey, Dani, Shajabula.
Just a taste to see if this is working, because I don't know if it's working or not. Guys, we're back to regular programming. Okay, this is working now. It's working again. So yeah, we're on the boat, we're moving, and they're playing such great music. It's my sister there, chilling, vibing, lots of fun. She's been saying, oh my gosh, the music, da 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 da. Like, but it's fun, guys. It's fun. Like, we're going. Can you imagine? Good to see him. Like, I can't imagine it, but anyway, we'll see. I think I'm gonna get like a drink and pizza, and then we're done. Yeah. Oh, no, guys, this is a very good time. Robben Island, even. Anyway, we are on the way now. The boats. I don't know which side we're gonna be on, but it's quite fun. I won't lie, it's quite fun. So yeah, see you soon. Anyway, cheers. Guys, I'm not the cranberry juice. Kumnandi, guys. Nangfuna kuba namang. Kumnandi emhlabeni kumnandi. Uzo life I need to live every day personally. Funa ukutela impilo lena. Nayibona ukuthi iyangibonela kanjani impilo lena. Like not every day ngaba nje. Not every day ngaba so. Every single day ngaba so. It's so nice. Like kumnandi ni. Food. There you go. Oh my days. That pizza was good. Hey, la pizza. Yeah, so this is the food we ordered. It's called the busk or something. You can taste the I was burning. I was burning. I didn't want anymore. Then what's up? I'm not on it though. You're tired. Yesterday. But that's the real. Anyway guys, that is the end of our boat trip. I think we're gonna go to the beach after this. I'll show you if we do. But yeah, chill boats, you know. Wanna buy some nice cranberry juice and a little pizza. You know, cost like 300 rand, so that's reasonable. Lead Suki 150, lead good guy. Even less, 75 rand, I think. So yeah, we're headed back in now. Yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a good day. Very good day. I'm proud of us. We made it out of the group chats. There's no group chat, it's just the two of us. But yeah! Pambil. That's us coming in. There are big boats as well. Like, can you imagine? Kiamang boat kanakan. Like obviously one over there sleeping. Oh here you can sleep in it. This one, this big one. Like in cruise. So say Google it. One it's like look how big this boat is. Yo. It's a big ass boat. I don't wanna lie, it's a big ass boat. So yeah, oh, and there's Table Mountain there, that side, in case you want to see that. I don't know. Then the Signal Hill, the little hill there. And yeah, we are back like we never left.
And I, shining bright.